What's good, y'all? My name is Dave. Welcome to my channel. Once again, I'm on a time crunch. Today we are going to Boiler Room. It is September. See what it's gonna say. It's the 14th. It's a Sunday. My battery's about to die. I can't bring the camera in. We're running off the phone. This is gonna be straight vibes. This video might even be only like 5 minutes long, but fuck it. We gonna run it. We gonna get fly. We gonna get lit. We gonna put that shit on. All right, I'm back. Battery died. But yeah, I'm about to put that shit on. I'm gonna show y'all my fit. I don't know shit about raves, Boiler Room. I don't know anything. I do be seeing them TikToks though. Them be lit. But we just gonna see what it's about. I don't even know what do you even wear to a Boiler Room? I don't even know. But I'm gonna just put on whatever. I might put on some bullshit low key, and we gonna go from there. So 1 second. Alright, y'all. I'm wearing all black. I don't even know what to wear. We just gonna rock with it. Gallery tee, Jorts, wallet chain from the last vid. Hey, I ain't scared to wear a fit twice. I'm not broke. Not broke. I'm in between blessings. I'm pre-rich. You know, black socks, black cats. We just gonna wear that. It's 7 degrees today in middle of September, so we just gonna let it rock. I am gonna have to switch to the phone, which I hate using the phone because my battery definitely gonna die today. This went from 3 to 10, so we gonna let it rock. All right, guys, we're here. Tell me what you said.
Hey man, don't know if this video is gonna get uploaded. If it did,
It is.
somehow,
we gonna make it up.
I just got a feeling.
What's the feeling?
A feeling. Y'all ever heard that Black Eyed Peas song? I got a feeling. Yeah, like that.
Nigga, no.
So stay tuned.
are we with today?
Andy Palma, 3688-4237. Mystery numbers, you never know why. Anyways.
Okay, and what was your experience like tonight?
Pretty good, pretty good. Very sweaty. If you don't take showers or you don't take deodorant, definitely don't come. Better for everyone, better for the environment. But overall, pretty good. My ears are cooked. I'm hungry. That's life, you know?
Now, I won't ask any federal questions, but
What do I mean?
would you say you enjoyed your time on stage?
Yes, especially the ending, you know?
Okay.
It's not always about the way you start, it's about the way you finish, you know what I'm saying? Life lesson right there. And I finished on top.
What that mean, nigga?
All right. What am I here with today?
Dave, as you know.
And how do you feel about Boiler Room after today?
You know, going in, seeing a couple clips.
Okay.
You know, Pink Panthers, you know, she had.
Okay.
You know, but again, you know, iconic. But all in all, it was a good experience. A lot of white people. But all around, good experience.
What are your thoughts on a lot of people not having to take a shower?
Yeah, so that is going to be a recurring issue no matter where you are in the world. I don't know, maybe in Europe they smell better. Maybe, you know, not highly processed food. But, you know, you got aluminum in that shit, but niggas don't use it. But all around, it was a good time.
And finally, would you recommend?
I would recommend, you don't need no VIP to get on stage, just saying. I don't know how it works at the location, but here we got on stage. We'll say we're VIP. Got the wristband right here.
There is no,
Got the stamp right here. Stamp's gone. But yeah, all around, good experience. The baddies were out. Too bad we were on stage. To the white dudes in the dress shirts, fuck you. Y'all are nasty as fuck.
Yeah, what about the dude with the long hair that was throwing it? That was literally throwing it back.
He's a fucktard. He's I want to say that word, but I can't say it. All I gotta say is he just nasty. He's nasty.
All right.
That's it.